Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are making a GUI based application in Java. So GUI is graphical user interface. It helps the user to interact with our application. So first we have a Java class named window, and here we are going to import JFrame class. JFrame helps us to create a window through which we can make our GUI, and we are going to extend this window class to JFrame so that all the properties and methods are inherited by this window class. And in the main method we are going to make an object of this window class in a try catch block and make it visible, and this visible function is coming from the JFrame class, and set visible to true, and we are going to catch for any exceptions. After that we are going to make a constructor of this class, and in constructor we are going to call the function setBounds. So this function helps us to set the x and y values and height and width of the window. Then set default close operation help us to exit the window successfully, and this will be equal to jframe.exit on close. By calling the setTitle function, we can set the title of our window. Now if we run our programs, we get a window whose size is 400 by 400. And as you can see, here is our window whose title is application and its size is 400 by 400. We can also resize it, and we can add more property to it. So if we won't want to resize it, we can set resizable to false. So again we run our program. So now as you can see, the resizable button is not available for us, and our window cannot be resized. We can add more property to it, such as set location relative to null. So this does is our window will always be in the center of the screen. So as you can see, it starts from the center of the screen. So as you can see, if I click outside the window, it minimized. We can add a property to it so that it cannot be minimized when it is clicked outside the window. For that we can set always on top to true. So now if I click outside the window will not be minimized. So as you can see, I am clicking outside the window multiple times, but our window is not minimized. So that is for today, and we are going to add more properties to our application in the next video. And thank you for watching.